Guys, my husband is going to tell you about his new headphones. So you guys better listen and give him all the encouragement you got. Okay? Come on. Yes.
Let's unbox it first.
Yeah. You gotta be more in the frame. Come on.
कि इसका डब्बा देखते हैं. Made for iPhone, iPad, works with Android, Snapdragon.
So it's made for iPhone and it only works with Android, is it?
Wow.
Wow. show them the headphones you have got, right? Tell what the headphones are.
Bose Quiet Comfort headphones,
Yeah.
the original makers of ANC headphones.
Okay.
Let's see how good they are.
How much did they cost?
MRP is 28 something ish. मुझे कितना 22 लगा.
Okay.
I paid 22,000 for them. खुद क्या कैसा है? Oh,
Ooh.
cue the music. बढ़िया सा.
मेरे Logitech का भी तो ऐसा ही डब्बा है.
नहीं ये अच्छा केस होगा. उस पे Logitech लिखा हुआ है ना, इस पे Bose लिखा हुआ है. और ये थोड़ा सा प्रीमियम लेदरिश मटेरियल लग रहा है.
Okay.
नॉट अ हार्ड कवर प्लास्टिक. ठीक है. तो क्या है बॉक्स में? ये पता नहीं, कुछ तो है. ये भी कुछ है. वायर्स है, हेडफोन्स है.
Show the headphones.
यही छोटा लग रहा है ना कान के लिए. चार्जिंग केबल है
Okay.
और 3.5 वाला जैक है.
Oh my god. You know 3.5 mm jack works with this camera.
हाँ.
Yeah.
ओह, ऑन कैसे करते इसको?
One eternity later.
But you were going to tell about the headphones.
कुछ इंट्रो सॉन्ग बजा.
Oh. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, but like it's saying we have to first download a Bose setup app.
Oh. We'll see you after setting it up. Cut. First impressions.
Quite good headphones. मतलब I had Sennheiser HD450 BT इससे पहले.
Okay.
तो उसके comparison में quite comfortable. Like the ear cups are larger to that, so it doesn't get stuck on my ears.
You just said that they might be small.
Yeah, but they're not small actually. They cup my ears very like perfectly.
Okay.
ANC is quite good, like very comfortable.
Yeah, I
ऐसा-
saw you couldn't hear me.
Yeah. So it's not like it sucks up your like जो suction वाला feeling देता है. It's not there in this. It's good.
Have you
Actually-
used any ANC before?
Yes, I have used. I have a Sennheiser one, which is not very good ANC. Like you can still hear everything. It just weeds out the low frequency sounds.
Compared to AirPods and Air Max, AirPods are exact same price for, and they are known for the ANCs stuff.
AirPods मेरे को नहीं पसंद है. In-ear earphones because like they make my ear pain हो जाता है मेरे को.
Okay.
So I don't quite like them. Headphones are my type. तो ANC is quite good इसमें. And जो music quality है, like the voice, the vocals, बहुत अच्छा है. It's very good. It's not as bass heavy as Sony's का जो XM4 है. Even XM4 has better bass than this.
Maybe the app has some adjustments on.
So I tried, but it's not quite, like up to that level yet.
Okay.
But हाँ, इसका vocals is much better than Sony का vocals.
Okay.
और जो range of instruments which I'm able to hear इसमें is much better than the Sonys.
Okay.
Sonys are good for like the bass heavy setup, like जब medium सुन रहे हो, those kind of things. But if you are listening to progressive rock, metal, I think these are better.
Okay.
Yes, because उसमें बहुत बार होता है like you're not hearing the lower notes of guitar, like you're not able to hear that.
Okay. So maybe if you can rate on 5 parameters. First, comfort.
कंफर्ट क्वाइट कंफर्टेबल, सोनी से ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबल लगा मेरे को.
5 out of 5.
Out of 5 I would say 5 on 5
Okay.
कंफर्ट में.
Number 2, price.
Price I think it's good, like इतना कुछ तो लगेगा ही, like 22,000 में you are getting this. I think solid 5 on 5.
Okay. Third, the
But
noise
if you
cancellation.
compare it with older generation XM4,
Okay.
then you can get that cheaper than this.
Okay.
Yeah.
Third, like the noise cancellation part, because इसका पूरा का पूरा tagline is quiet, right? Being quiet.
Noise cancellation is quite good. It's not uncomfortable वाला. Good. जैसे like AirPods में I do feel sometimes uncomfortable.
Yeah, it feels like it's sucking energy from your ears, right?
So it's not that
Yeah.
level. Like good noise cancellation. It weeds out all the sounds. Like especially when you're playing music, so you can't hear anything. And this aware mode is also quite good.
Oh.
You can actually switch between the levels of the noise
That's the same in
cancellation.
AirPods. We have spatial sound.
Yeah, but इसमें it feels quite natural.
Okay.
उसमें like
Yeah,
you
it
feel
feels like it's
muffled.
buzzing. It's
हाँ.
like कोई एकदम से दिमाग में sound दे रहा है
Correct.
दिमाग.
muffled sound.
Vibrations. You feel vibrations. Yeah.
जैसे
And
अभी
have you
it's
tested
called
the
aware
microphone
mode
yet?
इसमें.
Yeah.
It's called aware mode इसमें.
Okay,
Like leaving that noise cancellation वाला. So still the music is playing and I'm able to hear you
Oh, okay. Like quite clearly or muffled?
quite clearly.
अच्छा.
But music भी मेरे को बहुत ही clearly सुनाई दे रहा है.
अच्छा, so music doesn't go down when I'm speaking.
No.
Okay.
It's at a very good level of.
You didn't try the microphone, right?
No,
so
I haven't
you
tried
don't
the
know you can use
microphone.
it in
I'm not.
meetings or not.
I think microphone उतना अच्छा नहीं होगा because again इसका बाहर वाला microphone it's not close to your mouth.
There is a 3.5 mm jack, so maybe you can attach a microphone as well. If people really have that name.
It's not 3.5 mm actually.
Okay.
So it's custom.
अच्छा, फिर
So
तो you can.
like it's very common in all the headphones. So Sony's maybe, yes, and either maybe it's not actually 3.5. It's
Okay.
custom to their size.
Okay.
Because again 3.5 over it will be bigger. The hole will be bigger and
Yeah.
it will look ugly.
C type है.
C type for charging.
And
yes.
then most of the microphones these days have C type. So if somebody wants, they can attach a microphone, right?
Yeah, they can.
Okay. And last, the music.
Music is quite good. I think 4.5 I would give. अच्छा है.
Okay.
It's good.
Shall I try?
Yeah, sure. अभी aware mode में. You
Okay.
can cycle it through the ANC. Shift करें.
Babe, can you hear me? Aman, can you hear me? Can we talk about the first impressions? Oh God. Can we talk about the first impressions?
Okay. Yes, we can. So
इधर मुड़
noise
के, इधर
cancellation
मुड़
is
के.
quite good. Very